We've made our business successful by really focusing on impeccable service. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share an incredible review with you right now.
We had a great experience with WJD. My husband and I rented a townhouse in Burke and were not happy with the process of renting. We had a couple of maintenance issues, which is to be expected with any home, but everything was resolved in a timely manner. The staff was friendly and David was great. When it came time to move out this past summer, we double-checked the tenant guidelines for move-out, took care of all the stuff, and we were good to go. Got our security deposit back, no problem. Great experience. We definitely recommend.
But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love our exceptional service and attention to detail that have become our specialty. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.